Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to server with their server failed to boot, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem occurs due to a variety of issues, so I'll show you 3 solutions of how you can fix it. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections, you're going to select your network connection here, click properties on it, and then you're going to go into internet protocol version 4, click properties now, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1, click OK. Then after that scroll down and untick internet protocol version 6 here, and then click OK. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to close this up. You're going to sync your date and time with the internet. So if your time zone is incorrect, your computer has problems connecting to the internet. So open up your start menu, write date and time, select your time zone here. After that, click set time automatically and then click sync now. Wait for it to sync, and once that's done, now the last solution that remains is you'll have to reinstall Hytale into a different location. So let's say you have the game in your C drive, uninstall it and then install it in your D drive. If you have the game in your D drive, try to install it in either your other drive or your C drive. And after that, I'll throw in a bonus solution as well. So just turn off your antivirus while you're trying to install the game. Your antivirus can have problems conflicting with the Hytale installation process. So open up your start menu, right here Windows Security, and then go into Horizon Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, disable everything here. Don't worry, we'll turn these settings back on once we're done with the installation process. So once you've disabled everything, now go ahead, install Hytale, and once you're done with the installation process, now you can open up your start menu, right Windows Security, click turn on here, and then open it up, go into manage settings, turn everything on that you just turned off, and now you should be able to play Hytale. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.